Hello, this is Silver J with EastVan Refining. We're going to be discussing specific gravity today. This is a test that's performed on PM, any precious metals that you have. I use it a lot. I do use acid and filing and stuff and this and that, but sometimes you don't want to damage the item, and using water is the best way to do it. So I guess specific gravity, all metals have a certain weight, displace a certain amount of volume in liquid. They weigh a certain amount. These are just like laws of physics. You can't get around them. There is one or two ways you can hack it. They used to do that in the 80s when silver went up to like 45 an ounce. People would put little lead shot in the bars and stuff and file out the silver and get away that way. But so here's a list. What you want to do is you want to look up a list of various metals and their specific gravity. So listed here is silver at 1050. This is under ideal conditions, room temperature using distilled water with 999 pure silver. There's always going to be variances. I'm using tap water. It may not be room temperature. The cotton string can change things too. The object you're weighing could be hollow, could be several different things with it that change the values and stuff, but you get good with it, especially with coins. I use this test a lot with coins. So let's begin. So what we're going to do to start off is select, get the weight. So this is a round from Botswana, Africa. And I was a bit skeptical about it. First of all, it didn't weigh a troy ounce. The hallmarks are sketchy. So it weighed up as 30. It's missing the troy, 30.1. So, you know, either way, I went ahead with it. So we're going to take the weight. Just round it down to 30. That was a nice clink sound there. Let it settle for a moment. I don't drink Starbucks, by the way. We're going to tear it out. Make sure it's 0. You want double zeros for this test, by the way. Keep in mind your environment. If you're doing this outside and it's really cold, the colder the water or the liquid is going to lower your gravity test. So you got to account for that too. So we'll just say 2.92. Then we're going to go back up to our calculator, divide it, and look, 10.27. Well, if we looked closely, I don't know if anybody noticed it on the first try, but it actually says sterling. Anyhow, so that is definitely silver. It's not 99.9. It's more like 92 as listed. So it is real silver. Hopefully this has been educational for you all. Use this when in doubt. It's pretty hard to beat. It's great for gold, figuring out the carats of gold and platinum. You know, if you have plated items, filled items, rolled items, solid gold items. And, yeah.